Are you tired of feeling like every opportunity to make money online is just another scam? I totally get it. The internet can be a scary place, and your time and your hard-earned money are too precious to waste. But what if I told you there is a way to finally break free from the financial stress and spend more time with your kiddos without falling for any scams? But let's be real here for a moment. You're juggling so much. The kids, keeping up with the household, cooking, cleaning, and trying to make ends meet all at the same time. And every month, it's the same struggle, paying bills, buying groceries, putting gas in the car. The thought of investing in another make money fast scheme feels so overwhelming and risky. I've been exactly where you are. And as a fellow mom, I understand the skepticism and the fear. But here's the thing. I did the research for you. I found the Legacy Builders program that has live trainings and mentorship that many other courses don't even offer. It is a proven system that is beginner friendly, where you'll be able to learn the key skills to successfully make money online. And you get to promote not one, but four done for you digital products that earn you 100% profit. This isn't just about making money. It's about providing you with real actionable education and high income skills that are in demand right now. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building a sustainable, reliable income stream that fits into your busy schedule as a mom. Can you imagine having a step-by-step blueprint that you can follow at your own pace? A community of moms that are just like you and I? And access to live trainings and mentorships from a self-made millionaire who's been in our shoes? This isn't just another course, guys. It is a proven system designed to empower you with the knowledge and skills to succeed in digital marketing. If you're ready to learn how to promote products that people actually want and how to manage your time on this 2-hour workday, and if you want to learn how to turn your phone into a powerful tool so that you can become financial freedom, I will be there every step of the way, and I will be here to guide you and cheer you on. So here's what I want you to do. Take a deep breath and think about the possibilities. What if this opportunity finally works? What if this is the step that changes everything for you and your family? If this sounds like you, I want you to put ready in the comments to learn more. And trust me, mama, I've been there, and I know that you can do this too.